Extremely beautiful Honda Sh300i with a dark gray color scheme with a series of toys worth reference. The Honda Sh300i is quite impressive for a biker who is passionate about cars in Saigon. Mr. Khanh, currently working at Thai Cong Interior Design in District 2. Referring to the custom Honda Sh300i, there are probably now a lot of great Sh300i with a series of expensive high-end branded toys. In some cases, the value of the toys is several times the value of the car. The custom Honda Sh300i that Motosaigon wants to introduce to you below is the owner's enthusiastic Sh300i work when he came up with the idea of a pretty impressive color scheme, and choosing each toy according to him is necessary. Next most. The set of photos taken by Dang Tri Trung. Overall, the gentle but effective Honda Sh300i is well worth a reference. The overall Sh300i gray and black color scheme exudes a sturdy and extremely fashionable look. The yellow O-lens forks become the highlight for the overall car. In addition, Sh300i has also been equipped with a number of toys selected by the owner, such as Corsta 19 handbrake, RCS 16 shackle, carbon broken bar, prominent red CNC tripod. Front pig combo includes left Brembo M50 pork, CNC Sh300i Galfer plate, carbon disc cooling wind, Earl head press L. And some other toys include Mupo neck support, tailor-made CNC pot cover, Brembo rear pig, CNC patty press L oil wire, HPA, domino shackles, titanium neck and Mobi's Fastech.